Emperor, it is because of your virtue and of the prowess that you have that I have come to you. You know that, and certainly, I don't have to regret it.
My hair should look better, because I came here to see your court, so that I'll make known far and wide the joy that your future holds.
Far and wide, darling, I'll make it known. If I ever through you burst of pride,
I've turned that page completely,
because somebody has a good deed in his sight.
who doesn't dare reveal it. Doesn't
Doesn't dare.
He who is pleased to see me so acrid towards the bad and the indolent.
Why does he keep his mouth shut and doesn't dare utter the cry?
Emperor, if you really think about it, this adage is true and deserving.
That which a lord gives and a serf bemoans is crying over spilt milk.
If your generosity fails me, never will Marcabru go fishing in a pond he means to praise, because he'd think right away that he'd fail. I, the faith I owe you, never emperor or king, had me at such a bargain price as you do, and may God let me enjoy it.